Hello Sudoku fans, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. In today's additional of today's newspaper, Tuesday, September the 1st, 2020. Yes, a Tectonic one, and this will be number 1446. So let's get started. I cannot see. Oh yes, I can see a single box. The single box always a 1. We have here dual box, the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a 1. Let me mark them with the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. These two boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. Dual box 1 and the 2. I cannot place the 2 here, so the 2 should be there. And the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left. 4 and the 2. We have a 4 here. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, that means these 4 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These two boxes are 4, could be a 4, so this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. But I'm missing a 3, and I see here 3, so no 3 there. The 3 could be here, and I've eliminated 4 or there because those are pairs. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Yeah, the difficult part. This box cannot be 1 or 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 here. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Yes. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box is reserved for the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3, so 2 boxes left for the 3 should be here or there. Alright, this box, wait. 2, 5. Yeah, 1, 5. Difficult part now. This box cannot be a 1 or 5. 5 cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. That means I cannot place a 5 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes, so the 5 should be there. Three, 4. 1, 2, 3. One, two. 1, 2. These two boxes. This box cannot be a 1, 2. This box cannot be a 1, 2. So we have 2 boxes left for the 1, 2. 1, 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These two numbers are we share for the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 2 here. That means these 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Yeah. Difficult part. 3. Yeah. Let me think. These two boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes in those two boxes. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2. Otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes in those two boxes. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. That means I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be there. 3 is missing, the 1 is missing, and the 4 is missing. The 2. 1 goes there. Or here. 1, 2, 1 or 4. This box should be 1 or 4, because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. 1 or 4. That means if I place a 1 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. But I know I cannot place a 1 here because we have a 1 and a 5 there. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 4. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1. Let me mark them. 3 and the 1. That means this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes in this box. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 and 2. Goes in these 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. So 1 box left for the 5. That means I cannot place a 1 here. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. I cannot place a 1 there because we have a 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be a 3. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. We have a 1 here, so this can be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. 1, 2 are left. 1, 5, 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Yeah, we have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 2, the 3, and the 5 are left. 5 I cannot place here because we have a 1 and a 5 here, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 2 now, so this box cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 2. I'm missing something. 1 and a 2. 3 and a 4. Or I make the mistake. We have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be a 5. This should be the 5 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3, this should be the 3, and this should be the 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the 1 and the 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku, I like this one, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.